Nestled on Long Island's North Shore, Swan Landing stands as a compelling study in scale, craftsmanship, and historic dialogue. Designed by the award-winning firm Shope, Reno, Wharton Associates, this 23,000 square foot estate reimagines late 19th century Shingle-Style architecture, proving that grand proportions can coexist with thoughtful architectural restraint.
The spatial journey begins along a stone driveway framed by Tuscan-style columns. Inside, the design balances symmetry and drama. An expansive entrance with barreled ceilings and detailed wainscoting establishes a classical order, flanked by two opposing formal library wings, perhaps the ultimate setup for quiet, bilateral family debates. At the core of the residence lies the Great Stair Hall, featuring a tall arched window and a custom compass rose floor inlay that acts as a navigational anchor. From there, the floor plan flows into the formal living areas, where grand circular pillars, coffered ceilings, and a curved wall of windows frame panoramic views of Manhasset Bay.
Lifestyle here is seamlessly choreographed around the waterfront. In the dining room, an imported 19th century fireplace adds historical gravity, while French doors open to a stone patio. Nearby, the octagonal breakfast room serves as a bright indoor-outdoor pavilion, featuring 5 sets of French doors and a striking stained glass window. An ideal spot to enjoy morning coffee while quietly pretending you do not have 6 acres of lawn to oversee.
The master suite is a private sanctuary, complete with 12-foot ceilings, a stone fireplace, and his and her ensuite bathrooms to ensure domestic harmony. Guests are accommodated in 2 distinct wings, which share access to a stone terrace with heated tiles, a highly appreciated touch for chilly coastal evenings. The lower level transitions into a recreational hub, featuring a gaming lounge, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and a 40-foot indoor pool.
Outside, the amenities rival a private club. A second outdoor pool with slate tile surround, a roofed pavilion, a greenhouse, a Hartrue tennis court, and a private deep-water dock. Ultimately, Swan Landing is more than a display of square footage. It is an articulate translation of traditional American architecture, adapted for contemporary life. By blending classical proportions with a direct connection to the landscape, the estate offers a lifestyle that is both grandly theatrical and comfortably livable.